Pandora is starting production of an ultra-compact piezo siren PS-333. Comparing with the legendary PS-330, at a first glance this novelty product seems to be a toy. But in reality it has a great potential due to its weight and dimensions, with a comparable to a bigger model characteristics. You can easily hide it almost everywhere in the car or a motorbike. Low power consumption allows PS-333 to be used by connecting it in parallel with the 330 without significant power loss. Of course, the sound pressure of the new item is slightly lower than the older model due to smaller in diameter piezo membrane. It's quite enough for a gentle notification about the alarm events. It's almost impossible to feel by ears the difference of 10 decibels, and the volume level is still enough to stun an intruder in the car. The piezo siren has perfectly passed all our traditional tests. We have tried to crash it in different ways, even drowned in the water. It didn't stop working for a moment. It doesn't mean that it could be used on a submarine, but a dust and water protection is really useful for operating on boats, jet skis and motorbikes. The body shell is made from a tough and reliable plastic. Two-ton SUV with the winter tires have left only several scratches. The new compact Pandora PS-333 piezo siren with a safe sound pressure level and highest operational reliability is a perfect solution to protect your vehicle.